And the bail hearing for Police Constable Noel Maitland, who is accused of killing Donnelly Donaldson, was not heard when the matter was called up in the Halfway Tree Parish Court this morning. The matter was rescheduled for September 16 after the prosecution failed to disclose 10 witness statements to the defense. The prosecutor argued that disclosing the content of the statements could jeopardize the investigation. But presiding Judge Laurie Ann Cole Montague emphasized that the matter was set for a bail application, and as a result, the prosecution should provide full disclosure. Now, the attorney representing Constable Maitland said she was alarmed at the stance taken by the prosecution, and since the defense does not have a full view of the case, it would be irresponsible to proceed with the bail application.
That I have never experienced in all my years of practice. They have chosen not to disclose certain documents. They have also indicated their reasons, but the court, in its own assessment of the matter, has indicated that it was not satisfied with those reasons. And so we are indeed, I would say, ambushed.
The prosecution has signaled its intention to ask for the murder case against Constable Maitland to be transferred to the Home Circuit Court. The police have disclosed that DNA results indicated that Donnelly was killed at Mr. Maitland's St. Andrew apartment and her body dumped elsewhere.